Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla and I teach you quantitative aptitude for all banking and insurance exams at Entry App. Guys, as you know, finally the time is over and now SBI Clerk Mains exam is to be conducted. Yes guys, this is to be conducted tomorrow because tomorrow is what, 31st October. Finally the date comes guys, and today I'm here with a video where I'll be giving you some tips and tricks so that you can adapt those tips and tricks to make your attempt successful this time. So guys, please stay on the video till the end because there are various tips and tricks for you. So let's start the video guys. First of all guys, let me tell you what is the exact pattern of the SBI Clerk Mains exam. Guys, you know, for the SBI Clerk Mains, reasoning ability and computer aptitude section is of 50 questions and 60 marks and 45-minute duration will be there. Yes, section timing will be there and you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 section in the examination, and second one is general English, 40 questions for the 40 marks duration, for the 40 marks will be there and for 35-minute duration. And for the, if you talk about the quantitative aptitude section, so guys, number of question will be 50 for 50 marks for 45-minute duration. As guys, for general and financial awareness section, your 50 questions will be there for 50 marks for 35-minute duration. So guys, if you count the overall duration of the question paper, so 2 hours 40 minutes you will be allotted with, and 190 questions for the 200 marks will be there. Now guys, I'll be telling you the subject wise tips and tricks you need to attempt while attempting the question paper tomorrow. So guys, let's start. So guys, this is the SBI Clerk Mains quantitative aptitude portion, and these are the question, number of question and the topics that was there in SBI Clerk Mains 2019. So guys, you know, from data interpretation, maximum numbers of questions are there from the data interpretation because total number of questions are 50, and in 50 your 20 to 25 questions are there from data interpretation only. Okay, from data interpretation, DI you can say. So if we talk about the data interpretations, your bar graph, your pie chart, okay, your table graph, mix graph question, mostly missing table is very important. Okay, missing table or missing data you can say. Okay, missing data. And apart from that, the case-led DI is very important. Okay, case-led DI. And another important that will be there, that will definitely be there in the examination tomorrow, that is your arithmetic based DI guys. Okay, your arithmetic based DI, like you know, the question from work and time based DI may be there, and probability based may be there, and profit and loss may be there. So this is very important. So these are the type of DI you will have in the examination tomorrow. So guys, first of all, attempt all the DIs that you will have in the examination if you are very good in calculation. Okay, and apart from that, your wrong number and missing number series question may also be there because 7 questions were there in the last year paper. So you may have 5 to 7 questions from missing number or wrong number series. Okay guys, and you know, new pattern number series may be there, new pattern number series guys. Okay, and sometimes approximate and simplification may also be there, but the chances of the wrong number series are high. And apart from that, your quadratic inequality, okay, quadratic equation, or you can say quadratic inequality, may also be there in the examination. Okay guys, and data sufficiency is the first and foremost topic that you need to go through because data sufficiency is only designed for the mains exams. Okay, sometimes it is asked in prelims exams, but it is definitely, it is very certain that question from the data sufficiency will be there from varying from 5 to 6. Okay, so these questions will be there in the examination tomorrow guys. And what you need to do while attempting the quantitative aptitude section, if you are very good in calculation, then go for the DI first. Okay, go for the DI first, and then after wrong number or missing number series, okay, or you can say if simplification approximation are there, then you need to go through that. And if quadratic equation questions are there, okay, if quadratic equation questions are there, then go with those questions. Okay, and at the end go with the arithmetic questions, arithmetic based question. Okay, and arithmetic based questions are very huge in quantity, so 15 to 20 questions will be there from arithmetic portion only, guys. Okay, arithmetic question. So please got this point in your mind, please get this point in your mind, because from arithmetic portion 15 to 20 question may be there. Okay, so in from these 15 to 20 you must attempt at least 13 to 14 question, 13 to 14 question at least you must have to attempt. Okay guys, so now reasoning ability and computer aptitude. So guys, from this section sometimes questions are there and sometimes are not there, but from computer aptitude you may have question from 5 to 7 in the examination if the question comes. Okay, and from the reasoning ability you will have the question out of 50, 40 to 45 if the computer aptitude portion comes. Otherwise maximum number of time what we have seen, 50 questions are there from this section, reasoning only from the reasoning ability. Okay, and if we talk about the reasoning ability, then first topic comes in the mind, that is sitting arrangement and puzzle, guys. Okay, so puzzle is very important, guys. Puzzle is very important. You must good at puzzle, guys. If you are going to attempt the question paper tomorrow, then you must good at puzzle, guys. So you must if you are not good at puzzle, then guys your 25 questions, 25 miscellaneous question, at least 25. Okay, at least 25 miscellaneous questions are there from reasoning section. So go with all those 25 questions, all those 25 questions from coded inequality. Okay, coded inequality, direction sense test, blood relation, machine input output, coding decoding, and logical reasoning like course of action, statement assumption, consequences, and alphabet test series, and various miscellaneous question like order and ranking. Okay, so these are the question you need to go to first if you are not good at puzzle, and if you are good at puzzle, then go with the puzzle first. So this is the tip and trick that you need to adapt while solving the reasoning ability questions or while doing the reasoning ability section, guys. Okay guys, so now let me tell you what are the tips and tricks that you need to follow while attempting the English language section tomorrow. So guys, from this section, you know, reading comprehension or RC you can say, reading comprehension is very important topic, because from this topic 10 to 15 questions are there in the examination. Okay, 10 to 15 questions are there in the examination. If you are very good in reading the paragraph and solving the question based on this, then go with this portion first. Otherwise there are lots of miscellaneous questions waiting for, you know, from 20 to 25 questions are there from the rest portion, guys. So antonym, synonym, the rest portion like antonym, synonym, error detection, fillers, idiom and phrases, and your parasembl, passage and inference based questions. So there are lots of miscellaneous questions are waiting for. So you need to go through those first and then go with the reading comprehension question first. So this is how you can make your attempt very successful, guys. General awareness, banking awareness or financial awareness, whatever you say, this is another important section for your SBI clerk mains, guys. So from this section, you know, current affair is the main part, guys. Current affairs is the main part, and you know, from last 3 to 4 month, from last 3 to 4 month current affair based questions will be there in the examination tomorrow. So guys, please keep this thing in your mind, last 3 to 4 month current affair based. So guys, there are various types of current affairs. So static based portion may also be there based on current news, guys. Okay, so static portion may also be there. Apart from that, your banking news, okay, your banking news and your general news, your general news like books and author, award and prizes, okay, personality in news. So these type of question may also be there, and state wise and organization, these all are covered under the static portion. So guys, news and announcement also and your new appointment. Okay, so guys, these are the very most important topic that comes under current affairs. So you need to go through those one, and guys, don't take much time for the general or banking awareness section, because you know, for a particular question there are 50-50% chance, there are 50-50% chance either you can solve it or not. So take the decision very fast and go through the next question. So this is the only key that you need to adapt while attempting the general and banking awareness section, guys. Now let us talk about cutoff and best attempts. What must be the best attempt, guys? I know every aspirant wants to know what must be the best attempt, sir, this time. So guys, you know, if you see the statewide cutoff for SBI clerk means 2019, so guys, you can see all the cutoffs are around 100, okay, are around 100. And sometimes you can see for the Haryana section, for the Haryana region, there's 103 cutoff, more than 103, so you can say more than 100. So guys, your best attempt this time, okay, this time, you know, every time the cutoff is being increased, so this time you must attempt your 110 plus questions with 95% plus accuracy, guys, okay, with 95% plus accuracy, so that you can have your 105 score in the examination. And if you score 105, then definitely the chances of being selection will be high, guys, okay. So please be careful about that. You must attempt 110 plus question at least with 100% accuracy. I will say not 95% accuracy, I will say 100% accuracy, because you know you have to make your selection chances very high. So that's why you need to attempt these number of questions. So guys, this is all about the video. I hope you will rock in the examination tomorrow, and best of luck for the exam, guys. Please keep and calm and take the decision quickly and with a very good manner. So guys, this is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the exam, guys. Thank you very much.